Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the commerce lecture. Hello, friends. Today we will discuss about current affairs, which will be very useful for the competitive exams, which is related to the 2020, that is 2020, for the exams like IAS, KPSC, UGC, NTA, NET, SET, and RRB exams. Now let us move one by one. In which city Dhanvantri Rath has been launched to take non-COVID healthcare services? The options given are here. इनमें से कौन सा सिटी जहां पर नॉन कोविड हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज को डोर स्टेप तक प्रोवाइड की जाएगी? द करेक्ट आंसर इज अहमदाबाद. So in the Ahmedabad, municipal corporations took the step as a scheme Dhanvantri Rath to help the BP and diabetes patient, that is who are related to the non-COVID, means in the COVID-19 there was a lockdown situation. There the people were suffering, normal people were suffering from the medical issues. So that time in Ahmedabad, this municipal corporation took the step to provide the services to the doorsteps. Next, who among the following has launched Elements, the first Indian social media super app? The options are given here. The correct answer is C. Venkaiah Naidu. The correct answer is C. Venkaiah Naidu. इनमें से किन्होंने एलिमेंट्स, द फर्स्ट इंडियन सोशल मीडिया सुपर ऐप को लॉन्च किया गया है? वेंकैया नायडू, एम वेंकैया नायडू. सो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. 1000 IT professionals were working to launch this Elements super app. So the main purpose of this app is to protect the privacy of the people. The next question is, which of the following minister has launched Fit Hai to Hit Hai India under Fit India campaign for school children? इनमें से कौन से मिनिस्टर ने फिट हाई तो हिट हाई इंडिया अंडर फिट इंडिया कैंपेन स्कूल चिल्ड्रंस के लिए प्रोवाइड किया गया है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज बोथ ए एंड बी. सो फिट हाई इंडिया कैंपेन was run by our Prime Minister on 29th August 2019 under Indira Gandhi Stadium in New Delhi. So afterwards, our HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Kiran Rijiju, who was a Sports and Youth Affairs Minister, has once again launched this campaign Fit Hai to Hit Hai India on 3rd July for the school students. So they thought, under this they thought how to be safe at the home for the students. The next question, name the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi who has inaugurated world's largest COVID care center. So इनमें से कौन से लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ने दिल्ली में इनॉग्रेट किया है वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा कोविड केयर सेंटर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज Anil Baijal. Anil Baijal. So on 5th July in New Delhi, they launched largest COVID care center with 10,000 bed facilities. So mild patients were also treated here who were suffering from COVID-19. 20% of oxygen was provided under these 10,000 bed facilities, and home patients were also treated under the COVID care center of this. So Anil Baijal is one of the person who is the Lieutenant Governor of the Delhi, who has inaugurated the world's largest COVID care center. The next question is, which state government has launched Balram Yojana to provide agricultural loan to the landless farmers? इनमें से कौन सा स्टेट का गवर्नमेंट बलराम योजना को प्रोवाइड किया गया है फॉर द लैंडलेस फार्मर एज अ एग्रीकल्चरल लोन के ज़रिए से? So the correct answer is ओडिशा. So ओडिशा की गवर्नमेंट 1040 करोड़ रुपीस प्रोवाइड किया गया था. This scheme was provided 1040 crores for the agricultural loan for the landless farmers. So where 7 lakh farmers were getting the benefit of this, who are landless. For them, one group was formed, that is the joint liability group. Under that group, the loan was provided to the farmers. The next question is, which state chief minister has inaugurated Mission Vallaksharoopan 2020 in कोकरियाल फॉरेस्ट? इनमें से कौन से स्टेट के चीफ मिनिस्टर इनॉग्रेट किया था मिशन वल्लाक्षरूपन 2020 in कोकरियाल फॉरेस्ट? द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, उत्तर प्रदेश. So that is our CM Yogi Adityanath has provided this mission. For this 25 crores of rupees was spent for sampling facilities where 201 species of plants were there in this forest, and including in this there were so many medical plants were also there. The next question is, which state has launched Intezar Aapka campaign in order to attract tourism? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh is one of the state where they have launched one of the campaign, that is Intezar Aapka, in order to attract the tourism by the way of social media. The next question is, which state has become first state in India to have LPG gas connection in every household? The correct answer is डी, हिमाचल प्रदेश. इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा स्टेट है जिन्होंने पहले एलपीजी गैस कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड किया था हर एक घर में? सो 100% एलपीजी गैस कनेक्शन वॉज प्रोवाइडेड इन द हिमाचल प्रदेश ड्यू टू द प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वल योजना. So here 1.3 lakh free gas cylinders were provided as well as with the gas connections. Next, who among the following will inaugurate Asia's largest solar power plant in Rewa, Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer is Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister has inaugurated this Asia's largest solar power plant in Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, which was producing 250 megawatts of power, and this was done in the by the help of video conferencing on 10th July 2020. Which state has launched Vivya Samman Yojana? So, the correct answer is Karnataka. So, under this scheme, Vivya Samman Yojana, rupees 2000 was directly credited to the accounts of viewers. For this scheme, 10.96 crores were provided by the government. Which state chief minister has launched Mahajob portal? So, Mahajob portal has been, इनमें से कौन सा स्टेट जिन्होंने महाजॉब पोर्टल को लॉन्च किया है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र ने स्किल्ड यूथ्स को ये लॉन्च किया है एक पोर्टल जहां पर क्वालिफाइड पर्सन्स रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. द नेम ऑफ दैट पोर्टल इज महाजॉब पोर्टल. So, I think you have understood all these MCQs. So, PDFs will be provided. If you want, you can comment me. This all are the current affairs which are very important, which is related to the 2020. So, and for further videos and further upcoming updates, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the updates as soon as we upload the video. Thank you.